In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. Whether you're sharing tickets with friends or sending a spare to a family member, I'll walk you through the process clearly so everything goes smoothly. First, open the Ticketmaster app or go to the Ticketmaster website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to buy the tickets. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step so your account is secure. Next, head to your ticket list. On the app, this is usually labeled My Tickets, and on the website you may see My Events. Find the event you want to manage. If you've bought for multiple shows, double check the date and venue so you're in the right place. Inside the event, look for the transfer option next to the ticket you want to send. If you don't see transfer, it can mean the event hasn't enabled transfers yet, your tickets are still being processed, or the organizer has placed a restriction. In those cases, check back later or review the event's transfer policy on its info page. After tapping transfer, choose exactly which tickets you want to send. You can select one or several seats depending on what you purchased. Confirm the seat details so the right person gets the right ticket. If you're attending to, keep the ticket you plan to use and only select the ones you're sharing. Now enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Type carefully and double check for typos because the invitation will go to whatever you enter. The recipient will need to access that email or phone to accept the tickets. If they don't have a Ticketmaster account yet, they'll be prompted to create one during acceptance. It's best not to send screenshots. Ticketmaster uses rotating barcodes and screenshots often won't scan at the venue. When everything looks good, tap send. You'll see the transfer marked as pending until the recipient accepts. You may get a confirmation email and the recipient will receive an invitation with instructions to claim the tickets. If you made a mistake, you can usually cancel the transfer while it's still pending and resend it correctly. Keep an eye on the status before event day to make sure the transfer is accepted in time. That's it. Sign in, go to your tickets, choose transfer, select the seats, enter the recipient's contact, and send. Transfer early to avoid day of delays, and always verify the event allows transfers. Thanks for watching and enjoy the show.